everyone. This is part 1 of my part 2 video on my first PC build. I have the X-Blade case right now. Let me take the side panel off. What I have inside is I have the AMD 9600 quad core. I have a 120mm fan. I have the MSI motherboard that's Crossfire ready. I have the ATI Radeon 4550 graphic card. I have a 350 watt power supply. I have 2 UV cold cathode lights. I have a 250 gigabyte hard drive. I have 2 gigabytes of RAM, but hopefully gonna upgrade it soon to 4 gigs. Here's the front panel of the X-Blade case. I have a LightScribe CD drive. Nothing too fancy here. I cut in the top of my case an 80mm fan hole for it, and I've got that cool skull and crossbone fan cover. Looks pretty neat, I think. Let's close this back up. Okay, I got a little waterfall right here. It's pretty neat. Gives the desk something to look at when you're bored or whatever. I got my iPod dock, my 2 compact speakers. I have my 20-inch TV and monitor. And then I have my Z-board. I have my Z-board keyboard. It's pretty nice. I can change the covers if I want to. And I have my Razer Lechisis, I think that's how you say it, mouse. So this is my first PC build, part 1 of course. My part 2, which I should be getting in about a week, my water cooling kit that I'm going to put in it. So that's that, and I'll meet you up with you again in about a week. Thanks.